yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha.
Right, I was here. Elmajo na Elmakwaba and Fabra Sinopi. We are live on Kumawood television. Mon find chair for the delay. I transi Yamre na et me Eddie and come on. Some not doors on my gun. I won't come on. And Yamre translate my pen and I see no. And come on, so took us a video na o share when Yamre. And then Ebedin come over and also don't chat to me. Abanas then be so and come on. Some Dakus and fantastic show by our standard. Baba. You know, I translate some not doors, but a nay, dear Democratic powers may be doing Comono. The states of Ghana's security, the states of Ghana's security, or my wing, Yabamba wants them saying any city and Che, and I excellency the president at the 19 member, we can say, from cabinet, a buyer. Now I'm putting the cabinet in the buyer, no. National security minister now on Kaman for over the weeks and I said a month there have been a lot of crime cases across the power my Ghana and Sem Fata Yamre near the home command the CA Bokom Jamestown Hobby na opposing around 11 a.m. opposing back home ya bonu to kuno if you are crying so no no driver near sustain serious of injury na obi nso ono so nam ho a ono dimika ko bonkrofo amane no esutu no amano ewu ho komo ya tana se nyamre na yetimi edit the directives are the Ghana Police Service led by the IGP Ediaba say enei bullet van no say we bag adwumayeni and say all the financial institutions are police for escort mo no say we need bullet bank van ne bia ya dey say omonte ase da say police for emo ho ban directives no deadline at the end of this month you benyam ready the home komo and someone who do am penifo bi o man Ghana, especially the IGP or twem call the also the vice president that can here concerning bamba omode Emma Ghana Police Service baby kwaduru ye no na ye kan so all police personnel especially MTTDs any omo a omo any manfo ye nyuma kese say no e bon bulletproof akosi saying what is the state of our security in this country na no enche na prempe ya na prempe na yere na one na yere na eno so yakobo ne to pay over the weekend ya na yekono 2 weeks ago exactly 2 weeks ago and Tuesday say ya and na Chamanes better na kan say airport na about bi so no and so bi on so anon so yabo ne to ikunkun for basa o security kura na say na ho sitie enyamre na etumi ede ho nkomo ye nchebe kwa ho so na afi ye ne security expert nso etumi edi nkomo ahwe said the ensam no esi ekro do you feel secured? Do you feel safe as my Ghana near or my muana then atochima? What is the state of my woman in terms of say your employee security personnel sir? And it is saying politicians no ajafa. Do we get enough time to even interrogate, do a lot of background search and sana ya for one I say in the city and can we go police and if we be BNI ya quite fast so you bebu kwemwa be sitire e be ko school JTS na eba if your team be o try be eba ko hwe eni say na esi etie and then opposite for so no edura bi wa ena bi omo so eye in terms of omo bom ho ban no na enough na you go to some banking house bo say ya boss more container bi na post ni shem and say na we say eye na ana say na we say eye AK47 ne kuta police officer no so wan fa ntono na so a na isi ho ndi obi kura na okuta person na oba beto a ansa na police ne be fa AK47 no obepoma a obeka so beto no na the okuta person no di kan shoot kwa no shoot dada especially like what happened yesterday in Yamre na yetumi atnasi etumi edi ho enkomo ukopie mu e various technical investors o my Ghana almost say as o manu panifo no mu ni ye o mo akatua won sensam the reason the standard of them to the universities no I never be brave. You know, I can't want some kwaba. And I say, it me a boy, Monty, nay, almost so the whatever to jar, and I say, call indefinite striker in him da, by leaving these students in their own fate. In Yamre, now so yet me a cohort, now yet me a diwan so and come on. And then, His Excellency, the President of the Republic, former John Ajokungu, for some of our candidate father, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and Ma, and the Busian for Ebo Papa in Agro, Nina, and it's supposed to say, oh, my penny that, and some of our cano, send old age. Na se ni kwa asango kasa akra enyamre na nyina no yetumi atena sei yesino pimidin edit say Mike aha Kumawood TV are live on Facebook, Kumawood TV on YouTube, Kumawood TV emfa ma Godsway Casket Shop, Kumawood Training Institute this week and a training no baso Godsway Kumawood Training Institute, Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center and afi so Tawhid na Topatic say omode omusika so yaseme de djumade no etumi ede abro monfre antike ba me na afi enyamre enhyase ene no eni enkomo ye mo akwa ba waje nche no Facebook and afi so YouTube na afi o de fa WhatsApp lines voice note and afi so no ordinary WhatsApp what de ba enyamre abo akenkan so etumi ede ama once again ye mo ajo ne na aseso enyamre ehwe ye ene so kwaje 8 to the member of parliament for Menchia North Akwasi Kunadu and also he's an educationist and second vice chairman for the NPP mention of Atlantic. Ernest Akwaba. Yeah, Boko dear. Are you on strike?
No, I'm not on strike. I'm not on strike.
Well, party maybe abako there.
Oh, mention of Boko. Said the kind of Yabe Neaba. Chef of Winina.
Good.
Yes, chef of production team.
Yeah. Yeah.
Some that say no boy Juma. I mean monitor move.
Okay.
Juma come up. Nah, mention of and I say near my country mention of. The party man
oh za ade dia bobia na mwanka sa se motwa ba wi amu dodo onya we sa the last election be 8 na wu ya
yeah ne dia na ensem bibiri na ese mebre minim ba ku biase na naboache okay me atune safe and there's one gentleman who modongo monka I say it's not again but the moment moduseni na yako MP production na ya bona men champion so so consensus executive dem a chema oponda no the general secretary.
Okay.
Yes. Avenchiano na yeah honorable kwasiku.
Yeah. Oh.
Promising star. Yeah.
Oh.
Oni twa say omo.
Oh okay. Okay. Me WhatsApp na ya na
oh yeah sure.
Yeah.
Kwasi ampa. Ene also me from Colombians na dem man.
Kwaya na response number.
Don't worry baba. Baba.
Oh, no problem. No problem. Oh, no problem. Oh, say it in your rich. Cover in the nice and here. Do you feel safe? So, what drive here? Do you feel safe?
Yeah, for me, dear, I feel safe. Feel safe. Because when I'm until the security men catch any of a year, I was here. Let me say, me coffee, me try say, baby, I'm a fan. Okay, don't you see? Me come in mirror, so me penny agro. But 10 minutes, me from a cheap. A monitor casa.
Okay.
Coming. Me to go, say, me call number 2 if you make cheaper. A real and a view. Only be no, me careful. Omo me careful for me tafe go di or tie no
okay
hwe me romu hwe no ana tembi omo ba me tembi ana me seat me buko akire kakra na
no me nche de wo ye no ankasa
so ti ase it me very careful me movement me very careful you say obetimi abo ho ba na nyina ahye nyame nse so ti ase nyame de one
but me person me share see but my me share see say is the government losing grounds when it comes to security matters?
No, government is not losing grounds. Government is not losing grounds. Make it. Near scenario, a hard Sanima we see Emma invested crown, a detail woman, a more man, Sikasem, a coffin. Emma, you make dear Eugene, a many part in Yapoca, and then you. But so already ACA. Banaba fresh, but the CCUS near there, they do it. And yes, see,
you do Homra, a job from Catawasi, say bye to us.
Animudia member for Nibintina morning, a binumba from was a mayor of our software, and so no man yamasarama. I come. Obi o many will say stroke at channel. Wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra. Ya juma memeneda. Okay. Kwesieda, ejuada, ebanada, okuoda, yawada. Efieda ana menya juma na fieda obeto me ya wo so me hwaw. Because nipa ana wo homeda, nyankopon eni homeda. Okay. Akwala na wa wo no. Akwala na nya 10 years. Eko 15 years on nanteda. Wada form. Obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so e bia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini emo ye kete o ho na o chi ne techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra e bi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai bi ni nyina onom o sa glue an kasa nkra no o sa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ya obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achikide eti malam se wo de abra
nti obi antenta ta chire no no ona nya mi ase nyankopon na ebo no ba
enti wo ba ena me kase se wo ama ena ma se ya kasa ntine nti abayefo na afaso ana honhom mone ni nipa bone fo na afaso hu ne se obi antenta achikire ne bia no na brabo na sai da na ye mo na nsai na preko enti sankasofo e pa nyim sa de we onko gina asor dem nkase metim wo Yesu di mu wo de kase mala Muhammad yanko kwaw atibi wo de bra Eastern region kwaw atibi inshallah ahon na obehu na se asama mala mo eka no o wona nyina so se nankwase fo nkrofo ponche choba fo nkrofo ponche anadwi ade abeche ubeduro fresh na monko a koko bisa veterinary for na ya fra mo sai omo mo cheke mu ansa na ya ko bisa mo ya say wa ko hwe maame no ohunu maame no bo a cheke na da me na make a kire
secret down no
me na make a kire anya se wa ko sua ade wo saudi ntino en na kire say wa ko sua ade wo pe na wo so ye de nyame apede na man aya 0245 77 18 01 and 0200 797 887.
Well, I will hear. You say free moon. Why the den? It is slower. We na fa kokko wi film na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ma than ma menti wo de we na no wo yere na mfa nkonkoye diguma na ma me wai so wa ti abusa yenko Kumasi mun Kumasi
Martin Luther.
Oh nah it's been a long time oh yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya wo semina na ma yanka twene ni ahwedan yo ne busu ya pani asuma me semina me pada Kumasi akamara na me so ya chini ye nya da kai
Nansani mo na mo that's why wo shia me we need problem kra wo beje di say me free Dubai betu Ghana ana me na na confidently wo to na mo ansia do me eje yi ni bo me so e wa bre de me ni kapre odu ko bi na kire me God's way casket shop e wo Kumasi labor hire me ko ho no ma anu mo sa ni me yes kan hye yo
wo de bi ntwa no misika ye di ma me se me fa no iswa abensu ye se me ambulance na me sam fa de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ambulance service into any problem kra ani na de nya ni se u benya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say Kumasi stay by plan o ye ko na ko kira o some Gospel casket shop ye wona ka me bere te se de mu hu ni na Gospel casket shop ye wo Kumasi infantile new town ye di labor office na ben Gospel casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
And Yarwa do obey and Ajini Pejano Abosso, Yarebi to say, and Yare, Akumayare, Wadumwatsu, Wuntimin Didi, Obani Barima Wuntimin War. Me comfort a read naturopathic clinic at Dudrona Efraye, Madame Katri Clinic Diamau, Madame Katri Clinic Enam Homeopathy, Naturopathy Subetu Yarenina Efriho. Yane Kofabaye, the Madame Katri Tonic Abe Jamaiso, a bois ni Pejiano, Nitichu Edema and Ma, one man will feature call NCC ye. So one no Madame Katri Tonica, a bow, Emma Winnie Pejiano, any year now. Wama ufichi konso aye kama ye won fidie wa waswa ye de be dwaman so ye de hwehwe di pagye nimu eyi ya ro do ahintani nyina edi Katrin Clinic e wo Kumasi Asante Mantembu adi ne wo Madam Katrin Clinic ya re nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade krato yi mu agye atum se eye
Job training Kumawood Training Institute yasai ababio sese de yase ye ma ye tiefo ene ya hwefo nyina asua nsano dwuma wei eye nsano dwuma ene ti se woni nsano dwuma bomodian se obenya nsano dwuma entra Ghana ha se obaye dwuma ba kope na wodi ayeye dabi asese wonya dwuma bebre eka dwuma wo ye ho sana yetukwa akwa abrochi a ye no eno nti bra ne besua adwuma ni bi eka odwuma bi a wo ye ho eno nti sese de ye de adwuma foforo ene de aba ye be kirekirewo bees making eye senia ye sidi ahwene eye chain eye bags eye mpaboa eye niema bebre brane enchrew senia si eye no mushroom farming eno ye senia si edua emre unim se obetime de na hotwemienu pe edua emre amana fifi abokama ama wotime atuadi ana wotime atu akoton brane enchrew senia si eye no ye nuanom akuafoe ye gusu afrem se momra na wombesua senia si ye we decide edura ye digun haban so
I was answer makwaba na enema semugusu a mo hesi nupi live on Kumawood television once again meaning edit say Mike Patrick Atua Atnasi lead member of the NDC in Ashanti region and of course see banners NDC for Jini Tumwa Obeko as a deputy communications officer for the region ono so atase but yen chia axim for over the weekends na ye wa axim Mr. Aka ye kokore ye ba ko ntumi ankramo nye ya pressure no so ben ye no bibia nso a onya amre eba antivic ne maame ye ne bibia nso no mu nyina ida bibia nyame nhyira mo pa da mo twere nyina no twede ampankasa on hyemo anemo kwame akwa
mejo so
boko de
ade a chen tin kwamu yi de asedangutu na de manyankopon na mencha o na mencha menwa penyina nene sia o ase tum se de wasi di serious ya nimsa mafia na omo bo mencha no fo ebe ye yo se nye yo nyame
mafia bi koso mencha no ana me de ahia
omo friends of other appointees ni bi o mencha no omo ye adwuma se ye be ya ade ne ma mencha no ebe ya mi bu yi woti ase
menti ase
onti ase owu nim se mencha no
you are not communicating to me alone
onum se okay onum se mencha no ni bi pe ke
honorable Collins so man kwa yeah on the score be 93% no wa binchi
na sa de no credit
no credit okay want to be no credit
there are some intel be within mencha no fa
okay
one part bon say kuna wenya
oh okay
mu ye adwuma mu ye adwuma
oh okay
rather mabodi kasa won ka ho because mimi tell ekuta me ne chese there are people within mention of omu ye adwuma so obelu
can they make influence
na say whether they will make influence or not no question is obuza na say identical na yes omu ye sa ade no and so if some kofo no ehwe omunyai because area say there obi dia ba na obi dia na mkwaso mo amuti mention of mo de mo nazi from the den dia mo mo chief nye ke me boss munyai that is the only thing I wanted to pass.
Well but etua me bisa Ernest Asemba me bisa o driver ana o feel secured hunu say we safe hu bi ani mu uduru abi na traffic ache ana abi una ho yusum kakra we okay.
Well, security there started from who individual no. About bit my enough from the bia and security agencies bit my don't bit my but it has a limit. The security and kasa there obia security on one kasa there's a one kasa as a person you know or your police for yourself.
Okay.
And found say we expect to say the security agencies will be up and doing you know. Yankasa Ghana for and I say Yankasa individually baby I won't bia no ese o ye security alert oh me ti krom hai baby o ha me papa na jo ekwan bi o ho no ma se me firi baby ba na ho ye shortcut se den me kwa kon wan afa main street yo area bi o ho no ma o ya me dan anajo me drive kra me mfa ho bi o ha nka wura ho no ma nka be pie he but me kwa ko fa long ade no oh ena because of when some SCC na saying no ama kan ya say udi traffic mu anajo a say uro glass ne kosho
na glass is here
because of ensema what you say
glass is here omo tutu ye
oh yeah na mostly no traffic mu dey na say da nye tuo sa bi o wa ofun krom twim yeah to say adum saying anajo traffic ne chesa na o ye call ewo taxi mu ana say uber mu ana any commercial ana car bia mu a boys ne nam ho sa bon say wahwum trotro kra ampo what a trotro front na phone tower so na o ye call a omutimi hwum so because of experience amanfo anya nintino so what trotro na e bia untimi nwura hwe ne nkosoro se car ni nam sa prime zones na edi traffic mu na e advisable say o phone do be show botom na say on fa nye call so these are the things I say enyina anti security need it bounce down on all of us eho na minim say police in any case in Intina Odibusa question now because I don't know so yeah a different ball game altogether.
But I maybe who say one casano because most of us you feel them yes answer could feel very late. Visibility of police personnel is crano. Obra who feel how much who be fear number that is saying.
Oh well so when I'm Chrome Hana Jodia you have to admit to say almost every highway bia na kwan bia before to bia no police for esi ade ho bia be du bia bon say police for e wo ho no mudu wo aban e say no the touch reka ni na what aso na okọ enye enough there but menanti Kumasi ha ne de most of the areas anajo police for ne mountain ade o ekwan so, and I think say we should commend them because bi o mutimi tenawa as late as bi ha 1 am nyina no mo bi mu ko ya bi mu so asa aba ene ade but the na make cardia kosi nyina ne say bambo ho nsem de say o ye nipa na ote ho a say o do bambo ho nsem to wo ho so fato wo ho so me fa nto aban security agencies bia so say de bia o de show una ma wo ye security cautious wan kasa be bia o nam bia no ho ehu ni de ampa fada wan kasa kwa o nam ba bi na ho no ma ye din a o yam timi ye den show and enye Ghana nko a ba bia nam bia you can feel that. But the bottom line is say one kasa be your name bia we security cautious who obi na yes suspicious pa you should know how to handle yourself ebi wa ha okọ na obi eduanim na obi duachi ba ohwe nipa no ni bosuo ni se de ositi a akwa we oyere mi asem be ba ese umia u speed mu ye was some vantage places bi Kumasi ese ya na adwe nante wo on asafo interchange na se asafo interchange na se a free 8 to cry too much 7:30 yuko so you Kumasi ni nko na na ho no ma we ye threaten e betuma robo at any time interchange na se kwa especially so asa do ani kire central market ho krampo dia ambia wonam interchange na se na do ani be central market ho no ma sa zone ho no no de ho ye very dangerous e be do food si a e ho no ahomache so sa the same place say bia wo firadum na bia wo fiasada house wo na bia wo ko Accra na ahomache also one nante akofa interchange ni so akofa VIP na say o ko station one man no so sisa wadwen cause anajo sa interchange ni so no also so nye safe ahomache if I just ade sometimes etimi ba be 6 nyina na ehonye safe.
Is it not interesting say what Kumasi kakra na wo hunu ba bia Kumasi ehu na ye wo aposifo krum ha ye wo bambofo krum ha na omuntumi ntu so sa is it not interesting?
Yeah, and no see another thing is nyina because unim sa area ho amaken ya jinkofo fun wo ja wonkofo wa yes, so you ask yourself say adentina yenye bibia on fa ho in terms of security because obi a o hwe bia o ye Kumasi ni bia no enim say asafo interchange no so no ade say 7:30 kra maka ke 7 ko bia wonam so a onante mo ahyehyehye oguru ho a ye beje ofon efiri ahomache anwache kwa de timba be 5:30 kra ani nwatete no onam interchange no so a wonye safe. And so we ask ourselves say security agencies na okuru mu ase no omunim ana na so omunim there then they have to be proactive. Tama na mo Kumasi Technical University won ofa ofa asem ho no ma asem school ho no no abefa ofa asem so ofa liberty ho no na yeah this school for ne bag twa mo bag sa lata no go fi bwachi na ye IGP commander regional commander entimi kai me ne SRC president no we wrote a letter na ye call no ho ekohia no na wo ma security post wo liberty ho akiro no ma security post ni be si wo na school for ne laptop ejina dadi nyina na asizi. So sometimes the visibility of the police alone say police for how it me stop criminals no but now ya this school for the bag ajo mo laptop wo e kakra na asem ho say go body o my stores so nti e why busy first na stores ni ni wonom asem pack no honom na betia be wura ke poli wo kakra na no ya this school for the bag sa ajo eno mo phone sa. So sometimes areas bi o honom a omo ti krom ase no they know especially as security agencies. So you question now say me no ya adwen say why would they be na they will wait na yenye proactive me better na me dey amanfo sa enuti na ebesa akwa besi masma me dey chance so say wo as an individual na you need to be very careful but ye kan you obi ananim ye kan you obi ananim say be a areas there ye church say wona mo anajo a even crop confirm ho confirm ho o sane fe ho no ma fa bantima ho no na another prime area anajo. It was surprising to know say yeah cry no I think on Friday after show around the Pambesane director office we did one of mo tell me say here within 10 minutes ya je microphone phones for this year within testify omutimi tami ahun say area ho edin omugina ya mo ho nyina ya ji obia phone so ha no masa movie no moko.
Ernest, come to now break it down in terms of security. Will you accept that say under your second term of office now, the crime rate no cost of and you to me first of all more be say a buying and it was so.
Me, a friend is a phone. That house supporters and squad.
Okay.
Also, what show?
Omunya kuite.
Masa, one year kuite.
Iti kuosa bana so bakwa munya hwe.
Ono so come first omo faso abua party.
Mo di kan boa ya mu training crofo na de gozi sei.
Ana wo organize.
Right. Inform ya ja se wo hwe anyum.
Na wo adwa se wa. Mo se mo mo.
Yeah, edomasi.
Mo hwe mo so.
Edomasi so mo hwe.
Mo so ya.
Ye de ke betu mo fo se na ya na nya ko be ya.
Miki. O se pitino agency na yen abana ide.
Afilia na wo man peni so so no so boy nyina ho ban.
Statement na wo bisa. It's very unfortunate. Also you be a masa. What's the system? Aban we ya ban ya. Said you shine say boy ho ban. I make sure say your security ay intact. Oh yeah. And I'm metra haka say mu mi nu ya yo. Say ya started project to be almost day CCTV cameras. They go around the country. I who say ACC 20 points.
Eh Juma.
Say omu show you installation.
Okay.
Definitely. Of which I know say the side we nyina tini ba boa be ma script na ide. Aye tight. Na yenhwe president. Oba ni ani bia no. Ihu on social media na mo ankasa mo so ka. The number of apparatus are what to top government services. And I make a say, so the police service. From one helicopter, say, move on your patrol. Near from more or mine of Yahoo. Send ye be Yahoo Bambo, the BCP. Tell them in your AK. Say, ye can't say be a buying a buying any Yankasa. The abandoned commodity every year and near my a senator, a police near Sudan, fire service, immigration, or take save a more mobile. Let's say yet to me before ya these agencies here be okay. Just say, almost this age, you don't let him and tell me, you don't want to take him. I didn't say if you want to go who and so, yes, sign your crop woman, and more nicknames, a woman Samarane. Thought you say, and get at least you say, you may more cost when you beat because I Oko report or about fee. Say, be almost from a your man tell me how to move. This is the other time that they use, and since you are no more and tell me how to move. Which you got a video or your power or your the whole field, and should be to my dear wood. It's a vessel, I saw mine. Yamwa, security services. We are vessel. Said they are not a clear cane. Time one not go through watching. Regional commander, what the policies be by master, and they are very interesting. Yan can the Perkuyan and started say, yes, I'm Omochi. So, Yan started here. Now, I live for commercial drivers, any Crophobia starting. Can't send me baby in social events and media near the go so. Oh, send him away in Arumia, a book. A book by a best friend, the current regional commander. The best say, oh, Shia near Kufuachi. So, what is away? Oh, crying. My book, you can be not question. Because Kofi Boache me say yes say my boy ko nyake to abi position of one more than where he was.
A lot of Ghanaians especially baby Kofi Boache baby an unu say so Kofi Boache na IGP a enka de yehu nki yehu
Miki hwe e wi ase o hu e wo ko e kima bi mu a ye the hierarchy and the one me the autism Kofi Boache I don't know the difference between them. And I mean, or more appointed the appointing authorities, and you more share here. And Obia so one emery. You understand? Obia one emery. It may be a whole person. name mum so be to an mobile say also was ye day usubi so what be to say yeah also a campo now omo do so omo peke and don't let us forget say abeg by or sabe kan ade bia omo so ka kire these galamsey issues omo kan says ye timuro no so me entena de ye ba mo be hu ye ba bokro no e to ba mo so they said it on yeah, on social media.
Do you want that galamsey as no?
Those guys are part of it.
That's serious allegation.
Yeah, it's
no.
Let him tell you.
It's a serious allegation.
Oh, it's a allegation. In case of women now, me check the people one more kind. I don't want to. Who now want to? Omo ya phone na want to. Social media on hwebi. Omo se see to nam to my and two. E be ba be bokro no. E bi mo kind. Me case your woman nyina. Don't take me there. But some kind no. Anna, massa, these ammunition so we use it. Most of them is coming from their side. Most of them is coming from their. Yeah, that's how I see it. Everyone, most of them are going to free. Oh, but then can you the bonnie? And you the bonnie so say a body between a movie say, yes, so you're dancing. Nibo fi say yen twen yen tutu ne ba yi. Na mu aye nyina. So what me tell say. Let's go boss say bia. Ofo adwum say fine. Ya mama anya adwuma me ya amfa say bia. Edu o man be ko say yim. And for that matter me ba bonten na mo say na be tu amasa. One day you go you know also not come back. Let us look at the way they are going. Say even opina onu jina o ka say akronfo okura no. They trace a woman and kill her. The same thing and they see what estate junction there no. Ono no fra bonche o yes akronfo attack wo mo no. Sa no nkro from jina bontini bi e mo mo la say nipa go straight to the person. E no ku no. So that ni city e. Enti media mesre pa say yet memufo ne de. Abame do be bia. Police ni soja fo be do be bia. Say yet man say amwa wo mo amiki. Omo tiri nya 100% job.
Okay. On 31st August 2019, Vice President, I said maybe kai pass on radio. I said it's omo boa. And I do be can say be a number can say be a
in police report there now.
Yes, you're coming there. When the issue of Kaswa there buy now there were a lot of promises. Yeah, ma events police for bulletproof near the day. Vice President Nankasa can bulletproof. Say, look at Ghana Web Choir Capture no on duty police officers to wear bulletproof vest. Baumia, as you speak now, last 2 weeks, we beside this question. I asked 3 questions. Mame kwa manaso na yeni nkomo emra mame security analysts ura pobwaten enkwedi nkomo ba ne say ya omo na etwe ni kohwe omo obani oti anka yemo adwuma Kumawood TV sinipiso Wadara menu say bibi aboko. Ede radi ase. Wede yenkoma ye di the ACCA in terms of security in our country. Yen sha say the see enra ewo Greater Accra region Jamestown. Mame fan free ase aposifo ankasa. Wobra omo boy ye ho ban no. Omo ankasa so kom fa omo boy mo ho ban no. Ya na is it enough?
And when I come up we actually one the town bosses for the cafe, enough. But he said, I'll be actually I can rest one also I can afford one also every year and drink. The town bosses said, we are all doing cafe, and we will never now every year, you need to be answer.
Okay.
They will tell you, the rest of the people of the say that they are empty.
Already you share a kwanya na posi for the sika bi car kwa bo se ne omo AK47 no AK47 no say in wa na so is that the right way? I was a post in Kutatu, and I saw the Kemua, Kutatu, Anna. Okay. and Wadaroma, yes, I'm for different way. I'm from now. It's been clear. Wadaroma. Good. Yeah, security expert rap or watching. And na yet to me no Eddie and Combo. But say you remu ye pa. Post if one ankasano AK-47. Some master the park here. We say AK-47 no. Post no sort banga. Na edanaso. Edanaso a na ebia tuo no kwan isi ho na twe na nchen. Ndi obi who use pistol. So when I use okupu or two police ni no and wherever post ni bia no anaso obi oye criminal ko bia no the first person oye target the security person na wo ho na etu ekuta wo another that one and abefa bumu how effective would that be again okọ banking horse abe say abo container keto na police ni hwem ehiem horo na police ni bo ban say obi oye criminal odi tuo no koja police ni no so ewo sa cage ni mu a ni ekọ ne sen and other issues are yen share ne critical na no gu so na wo kana na me ka say Dr. Baumia, the promises will make here say a bulletproof they are positive for. The police personnel will tell you say am I since 2019 as me buy am I no one say about na be cancer and Ghana for boy so my papa I'm better radio so TV some they are politics and no and I say saying this here
meaning say Oka 2019-2020 and chair
August
and chair so that's some Ghana say me brothers that within that period, and you say, Yakoto, cast with the baby. What you say? One say, a beer made them in cast sanity, a beer vice president, and security authorities. If you're not say, if you're moving, they think say, Omunia, we the back vehicles on the call round, so a baby can, a beer is far better.
That one, any bad leadership.
No.
Just come out and tell Ghanaians and say, this is what I'm going to do. Meanwhile, not when you have feasibility studies, when you research enough to see, say,
even Quran, the panel me and drink. I'm going to say, I deal with the back prayer.
Okay.
But who say, I did not make a say, now will not go brief for vice president. But me the market and then to see a big and then Timia Sanka. And I say, be a comment processes, sort as here. And I say, be a move program in Aban, a beer in sea. And you say, be a what kind of the real fit, that's what you have to walk. What I make sure I say, it's me that be I can say, yes, I'm Kai Woman. Yes, I'm Kai almost said your walk on. Say, or she Bobby. Sabona or Mobile on Tibetan. Yes, I say, my son, what can I do? I bet. Yet me and your police, a bamboo. Tell you, be a more carbon tia. Sanya we nyina sia e beti mabom mobile we are making meaning say omo vesti master it covers their body akọ body trimutuo
they cover their body
vest no motion you know bulletproof no and show mo tiro e cover mo body no e cover body but bulletproof cover mo ti o body trimutuo even because no shebia en kwa target body no all the make sure na say enti eye say you be kan say wo shebo wo kan se mi kire Ghana for wo mo hwe so wo ma saa asem na o kan ye no ye do ose e be ye wo yo na be ba se ne be ya wo mo nso no wo mo protection e be guarantee mi na fa so mo bu e ho bada so do mo so kwadi agoro what you say look at this young so ye be ba wana this young man wo ba na at this age at this age na sebe wanyare obo oman ho ban na ebeti ne kra free nisem I mean just what you want to say ana ye ka security asoma ye kan say ono security man ka ne personal security man team but they manage to attend them say na expert ne ba be kan so security no man to be there but almost so you very strategic say they can strategize ten biano bomu say there's a loophole kakra bi no they 8 on so me try na say enti say dey kan no me dey mesre say dey IGP kan ba me be ne nya adwene say ye nya e very say amo no banner and no security Rome was not built in a day aba omo no omo jojo omo no omo nka let's say if it's a state no kura no e be ko pebi ya ni na pool ashanti bi wo ho Greater Accra, all the regional capitals, if you are maybe I say, we are bank, no one you go, you rent. So what you say? Now, almost team said a bear, a bit in your boat, ye, Sikane, or more, if my phone, bamboo phone would be a children, and so buy. Say, now, you idea. Also, there should be a strategy. Won't bet me, at least, and yes, sir, Taba could be another police about quartering. You bet me, I say, beer, ye fa, I want you ever, banks don't say all. Maybe a bank be a box, a womb. Let's say police and also to cover no actually.
Right, my uncle said, Miss I can rap about here. Abani, this is the air crowd, Aroma. Is that what thing? Is it the air crowd? Good. What I want to be Busa say, a post for Nankasano. If you are Obako Bank, now you container Ketwe, be not posting no shame. Ebu onso kwa na post no wateka mu abose tuo no na edana na so sad dia no in terms of omo ankasa kura no omo protect omo ho ene omo bo ye ho ban no eye sa na oso mo ye na na
na me kase ba bo ji se be ni na pepe ba mo ko mo na mo bi mo sa ke jana so please na so mo na mo di ka ka me na sa na mo se na no sound to enter for something na and you know your corners are I'm a bit you musa you kono you ko amase you kono no la no so la no one
too bad okay yebesa na yasan akọ ora poboatin hobio na na akodi nkomo ye hwe ye security omaimu especially the annual is see abeto subio 2 weeks ago and expect ha no ka shooting incident see am ya ju bisika we agede but we say when the quiet police no I be brave on my Ghana IGP as release statement and it's very unfortunate to me the statement the IGP at the eba you know say eto Ghana for no and no how quick was the IGP to respond to that and in a way since when IGP ehunu say Casa banks no the first cano was say balloon advance Casa no bulletproof ya tutu kwa intiminka since when wo hunda da and one can want some until the police ni bi wu an waka another hunda da no be so be kan wasam another no nim kra this hypocrisy leadership star no ya nya ya mo nyina minim say hono if you touch on na no go asem so there directives no say cash no wa up to this month ending of which one name so one kasa kwale de man na ko ntimi ma me ko rap about na me ni ntwa tew rap about good I believe so you said there pa good and ma me fa unra the directives are IGP dia ba no na be ye monko akiri IGP say nei say omo banks no nya casa bulletproof ana say balloon vans enya dey say by the end of this month man men no etimi akoso no I escort to omo is that the right order another directive I was say free IGP or eba for now
it is a police for bank for Nankasa. I want to shut down the one who wants to demand a son of the test for them. It is a politician of the how. We just asked to say, last year, and what the buyer was on the edge. Bank of Ghana, from now, every bank now, we know, extra. We are letting it be, we are not for the
okay.
I just said, when we shut the cars out with the fiscal, when I said I'm more specific car a year. I was one use a good prove answer. I was with it. We are other normal permanent parliament in my car and always taking India and use any people. But you feel you look like it and now so regular. You should run so. I'm a first of not away. If you have a share running in the team swap, you are not clear. What is the nature? And also, what happened to the more first bulletproof one of the only do now. Career. Into my keep the Lanka Council also come. Well, I can run with you. No, we can do it to if you say, if you call best or again, and that's one thing my car tonight. The BS said you anything. If you call my car, you will be called a party for I will sponsor a party. And now, man, will be called a minister. Everything I fly to the matter, car will do it. Party for a thing back with the man. I have told America.
Yeah.
And the man about power to our son kind of thing in New Ghana. I found back. I will go on 12 as far as my phone and I am so doing one that's got no beer. Next year, and so much for them. The beer and I also want to, and my papa phone, 18 years in my new saying over to you. Want to say I'm doing it. But I was a couple of years you mother, or my own answer. We need to help you. I didn't Tracy and we drink it. You want to have fair. Bad voices say, dear, and no one say uniform. Why I have hundreds.
Okay.
And then how bad it is, my bamboo phone, a bank. Now, buying a station in the air on our school, yes, share I bet you are the you a free or fountain. And only I did this young man year ago, so that she. Now, all kind of social perform because the levels of the grader and the 15 years and the kind of one to come to the owners are now at the tears in the good like an uncle or best Ghana. Okay, I'm going to and never do I won't see us you because I'm more prepared. If you want to get out,
okay.
If you never pay my customers in national school to us, I'm going to sort of or when I need never pass a better person. And then so you're going to for the on the end. And then maybe you won't and now that you as a Ghana, UN Security Council, or cover.
Yeah.
Africa Continental Street, Ghana for cover, keep us more than you belongs to Ghana. We also are Ghana doing that. And if you are not going to want to have maybe you're so young, into a cow, one must say. So, if you know also, my own nation is advocate. Why go outside the box music? So, I'm going to say, maybe I come in the corner. Maybe you wish and walk on walk a kid. And before the other women, I'm feeling that. On the map, I dare say in Quantana, I will be going to be at the tour. If you need to know over any on your mamma, my hands stop being no map. You are going to see it. Research a phone offer. When you check your community, you're quite a solo, since you're swallowed with you. When yet patriotic, 19 defending your home, send a better on your phone, 8 years to so. You see the honest at that one.
Mr. Potter, make either in 2019 or bra, Kaswa incident by on radio, building Como. Emma, Dr. Babumiaka said, yeah, the momo, I posted for the bulletproof. Said I be with me abwa. When did you hope as we speak now? Bulletproofs no and buy it and charado.
Send your politicians to look up. Your bank was this Africa, I know West Africa, the end of the song. No calling you to the bank of 42 and me, or what they say will be our meeting. Now, your politicians will send you a macamo. Actually, I'm not down the door. About a chairman or police council.
Yeah.
If you know, this will be on the TTPR. Or everything what China president or so. Because I want to add the we could give. If you know, I'm fair. Your whole social, your better son, we are money about the four family. I will be the idea to Mano. I want to say, yeah, we see the Democrats and 20 years of the nothing. Because it's a good regular, on your bed also, number 4 of a better. Which you never can say enough is enough. No be either, no be a music is smiling, no be a Namika, no be a Bissicana. And when I am Casa, none of the China set on even you. My big cancer, and maybe as it would be a intelligence-led security system. And you have it in 2019, I'm so my philosophy of intelligence-led cohesion. The character and I say I do see this is the and also the local pilot said, I would do Obama. Which lady will see Angel, we were to hear and she said, ah, and then my young children, if we didn't make it clear, no, only people of course will come to see we make it like, yeah, all only free mass and all bad on my baby, all free mass and all that, on board the COD. Yeah. I won't walk on bound the hand on the COD. ọmọdénya àwárí ọmọdénya bẹ̀fọ́ nàfọ́ ntìtìmọ̀ ẹnìfọ́ no méjìlí nìyẹn ní ìfún sọ pọ̀ ní ẹ̀kọ́ sùn yẹn na àkàkọ́ yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ti rà na èmi nso ní kéèké ká bàbá ntìtì náà bọ̀yọ̀ nípa yẹn àná àwọn ọ̀fọ̀ nípa tí wọ́n bẹ̀ tu yọ sọ́sà ntìmọ̀ ẹ̀yìn ayẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ bí a intelligence-led policing nípa yẹn fún community-oriented policing no ẹ̀bẹ̀ kíkà fọ́ sáà ní ẹ̀ma wù ní ẹ̀bẹ̀yẹ nkyẹ̀kyẹ̀ àmì ẹ̀mùkwáyà ẹ̀mùkọ̀ ní à obìtìmí akójú wọn kọ̀ wọn a òbí bi a ẹ̀ǹtẹ̀ wọ̀tọ̀ náà wọn ankasa nso ẹ̀bẹ̀kyẹ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ kẹ̀kẹ́ asọ̀m náà ẹ̀nkọ̀tẹ̀rẹ̀ sọ̀ jẹ́ àṣẹ nǹka sẹ́wọ́n wọ́n akóyí wọ́n tó àmà ní kọ̀tẹ̀rẹ̀ bá mi ọ̀sẹ̀ bí akọ̀tọ̀ bá mi sẹ́ ní ọ̀dọ̀ nkyẹn kura ẹ̀kọ́yí ìwé máa yẹ ẹ̀bẹ̀kyerẹkyerẹ mu wọ́n sẹ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ yà ọ̀man ní bámpọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn no ẹ̀bẹ̀kọ̀ so na ẹ̀dìbò ẹ̀ntì no yẹ kọ́ ní mu obi afa ne wọ́n yẹn ní ọ̀gbọ̀n ní bi a kẹ̀kẹ́ oyè àbàmbọ̀fọ́ no asòtìrè ní ìlànà yẹn mú wáyé yẹn mú pan ní ghana nfa ní jọmọ pẹ̀nsẹ̀. Lọ́wọ́n ní sẹ́ ghana ho a ọ̀nà nínú yẹ̀wò ẹ̀ ní pẹ̀lú wọ west africa ha. Ẹ̀kẹ́ ìbí ni wọ́n kọ́ náà kọ́ ọ̀ma ní kùtù ní kìí ní ìlú náà yẹ. Ẹ̀nẹ́ nkọ̀ọ̀fọ́ bí ẹ̀ka àwọn nkọ̀ náà wọ́n á jẹ́ ìdáni sẹ́ ọ̀ma yẹn west africa yẹn nyinaa na wọ́n de sọ̀n fúfurú bí abá náà wọ́n bẹ́ sẹ́ ọ̀ma gbogbo náà nso bí wíwá ghana ha. Ètò wọn yẹ obiara sọ obiara mọ̀ mmoa lẹ́nu yẹn nínú àwọn ọ̀nà bíbí ìbí mu biara no.
Okay. Mr. Martin, in 1 minute, whatever my major home work on, my foot akra. A crime man, I was a driver, my first about my home buying, Mommy fear, and then I was a me who are. And ma, me dame, who's on 10 times, say, be a man, hear me who you are. We bet me, after me, in free move.
Lẹ́sẹ̀ sẹ́ ẹbí akọ́ ẹbí di wọ̀kí ẹ̀dí ìbọ̀kí ẹ̀yí ti dé bó ahẹ́ wọ́n ti náà wọ́n gyina àná wọ́n tẹ̀lé ọ̀hún ọ̀bí àwọn about bí àwọn sẹ́ ẹ̀dí wọ̀kí àná wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n fẹ́ sáà ní ẹ̀mẹ́ nyinaa. Ẹ̀yẹ́fẹ́ nso wọ́n dàgbọ́ à sẹ́sẹ́ ẹ̀rọ Ghana no ẹ̀yẹ́ nso yẹ kwan ẹ̀yẹ yẹ traffic nti no. Wọ́n dàgbọ́ náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí a traffic àáké pa àná wọ́n glass náà ẹ̀mí tó yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ó di tuya bẹ̀ gyina wọ̀ so àti wọ́n tuya wọ́n bá fún àná àti òsìkà ẹ̀rọ tí wọ́n dàgbọ́ náà bí traffic mu a wọ́n yẹ condition kọ́ àwọn tó wọ́n glass náà lẹ́sọ̀ wọn dúdú bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí àwọn tó wọ́n bẹ̀ ti fà pípa ọ̀ ẹ̀rọ sọ yà bí ọwọ́ sí ẹ̀ṣẹ́ náà sọ. Wọ́n bí wọ́n fi èso a ayé àṣẹ sẹ́rẹ̀ géètì no ẹ̀tì sẹ́yìn wọ́n ọ̀fọ́ a wọ́n bí gyina ẹ̀kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà afa so pa bẹ́ẹ̀ a wọ́n mọ̀ wọ́n fi ọ̀rọ̀ ẹbí tí ń bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ wọ́n náà wọ́n bẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀rọ sọ wọ́n sua sáà ní ọmọ ìfìdí nìyẹn náà wọ́n community ní sọ wọ́n máa ń kàní wọn kọ́m náà wọ́n ti ẹni mọ̀ wọ́n pé wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ̀ wọ́n ń ṣe é sí nọ́mbẹ̀ nké èsì bìbí sí à wọ́n bẹ̀ tún yà kyerẹ́ wọn ní ọ̀sẹ̀ ẹ̀sẹ̀ ní fúlọ̀ mi ní yẹn nfa ní ibi àmì wọ asẹ́m sílẹ̀ mu sọ́ọ̀mù wọ́n yẹ ẹgbẹ̀ sáà ní ọmọ ìfìdí nìyẹn ẹ̀dẹ́ ti ní àpòwà náà kọ́sọ́ security nìyẹn ẹ̀rọ ní adé a èdè mi paa sẹ́dẹ̀ wọ́n kọ̀ dá wọ́n akẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ dan wọ́n tuntun wọ́n bá la dan nfọ́nmá wọ́n má tuntun ojú ẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ náà sẹ́ ojú ìfọ̀ àpọ̀mọ́ bí wọ́n wúra yẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ méjì ògbó bá fọ́ sika náà bá àgbẹ̀ ńkọ̀ nínú àwọn yìí nínú ẹ̀ pẹ̀tẹ́ pa ọ̀sìn sẹ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ bu ama wọ́n ní gbogbo náà nso ẹ̀sùn àti.
Ore bɔ te enyimire Kumawood TV silipia bejafo ɛda ase pass onyamre de ama enyimire. Good. Ore apɔ bɔ te security analyst na otie ne nka no nkyirimu na ɔde aba no tie nei wankasa no bɔ ho ban yie na yɛtimi mmoa. Amenyamre na aka na ma mpanifo na afi NS min team me say na strictly you didn't come on insecurity what you know they aba still I'm for messages on the ban no still na mu say what you rap about it I say ampani abi dey kasa na bi no waka keke action ma mebusa 3 major questions
na me sure na me wa
okay
and yes say o kasa keke
okay
na mu say da waka waka yes say if you kura wa dream hu say o say this side na wo say no yes am on so say o she bo o be catch the Ghana so say babo modern ama police wona nya bullet so ti ase ye hwe say be ma side na ade e be ba na be po mu ho ban so ti ase ama say be ya ade ojuma bi aye die no e be ko so wa no ana say utie die na papa na kana medical ka say ye ntimemu fo so ye mo awo ye more security personnel with information ye more wo na ye ankasa so no ye hwe ye hu yi so na me tonas ye hwe ye hu yi because said that you are so go ho ban to the sense that and then yes say one ankasa ye dey go ho ban yes re IGP ya na nya nsem nya de pese ye ka bat edu be o se ye ka ye de police won kola no aye dra ana ye fe ni say agene ye de omo to dra
okay
you understand
mentiasie
de be pass me kire ni ye interest ye penny for no interest aye ado de dey ye de be pre wo mo e wo table so me try na say
am ko jina kwa am ko jibi bimra
and aside that so omo ko gada banks no
police officer Emmanuel say you say a week be man 125 Ghana cedis
125 which is
the able to work on it
which is
1.250 the Ghana no 125 Ghana cedis a week.
But you know how much? Look at the amount of money I know about it. See, that's saying and the local police service. But what they need you more.
Oh, why not? That was so big on Nakasa.
So what you say? You don't mind a drag and you have to up to soon. Anna fish, you know, about near catching. So what you say? Because so ocean here, Papa can in your can ye. Vice President Abeka, IGP, one in the cover. All prompt you while letting you.
If you know but now I say, oh, Ghana for Kodada or Mujai.
Oh, yeah, man, what can someone make? Say, Vice President, because oh, Ghana for Kodada. Make yeah, me use
no, but
you're not okay.
Serious. Well,
me, I'm
serious. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir, when you're happy. I've okay.
Or no better, say. Ghana for your dad.
But I hope put to blame on maybe I say IGP name maybe enforce so. But when I had the final authority, no.
Me say. One you know. One would be see at now. Okay. So tell your vice president anyway. But one I would just say to my cool. And what can say? I said what we chief executive. Now no board a committee. Their staff na be can. Another then said the board na can. You will make sure say they implement it. You remind them. No, just here from one. Me show me now.
Okay.
Vice President Abeka. Amaso. I don't know why ya. Amaso. To what here?
Okay.
Send you run a fee here. Say be omuguso mo ye procurement processes. And answer more than MIA. I don't know.
Okay.
Samson make us say. Papa no so. Or kai omo. Sabi. Say omo de bank for any day. Choboni ba. Say Vice President to any bio. You be commando.
Okay.
And you those in the helm of our friends.
I'm the edge my boy mine.
Sir, can we not come to our one bulletproof?
Maybe somebody at to
no more party their mom will say, okay, bank you be out to bulletproof, but I farmer will be out in the coca. Careful. Thought you say, by your junior able to near the junior ranks and and Colonel woman. You don't to draw. You don't hear a minute scare them.
Mamma, come round.
Yeah, okay. Nyame yes let's say on for the currency
right
na aban enso hwe na dada kufuado won hwe say enye ebe ya ebesan boost won security ama o matimi ya adwuma emo ban bo ebe ye yie no yentimi nyema wo
me kwa ba na ba boost say e kwa ye fa so ye fa aposi fo ne ban bo fo kra so no anything say NPC ya o amemra Patrick sir
well, me video no. Me real hoy fan. Na me sure say was who you no real hoy. Sure. Because the bia me can say me see so na me nyini no. Adwuma ba kwa me pay police. Soldier. Immigration. Me force work or the same crave BP. Okay. And because me painting no na me ntimi nyinti no me hu omo a me respect omo pa. It me say me share police near. No matter how obey, I'm not provoked. Me continue on pa because say I can me nemu kwa kamunya police.
Okay.
Because omo djuma no me nya da. O de justice ke nyina ton kra me nye. But any penny na de hwan krom na mkutatu gina kwa mu. E de to hwehwe ke. Say the enti. But somebody also
I don't know who's your bribe akọ na
for bribe to
you are
out of passion. No, I understand a lot of things goes into
there are a lot of
in fact na do crab to na kunyo so idea you who say ya publish say ton police forms when we in pa me ma typical example no I give you a typical example time and this wa kunyo so no udu poku trading wa post office up to most any pass a lie tin ubusa when was the last time I was any pass a lie I go to police forms Oh, the last boy, yeah, I have been monitoring this thing ever since Nana go for the bar power. What dear, Obi Ohe Kumasi base. The Ben one who said, Nipasa lie or port office, Ekoto police form said that.
Only 2017.
The issue is that people or offices in a especially immigration. Who wants some year graduation. That is another subject we will debate on a different day. But let me stay focused on what I was saying. Anti police for now. System first of all, let's try to respect them and let's try to support them. Edu maybe ebi muko wayward. Bi wa uchiana na police na and dey too much. Now he wanted to show you power. Who here politicians you can also from kakra dia. Hey. Now bam the opposite or tell say what say when am so mutete makubi ka bi tell so mutete radio so na mu on say when I was on na officer we dey officer udibim. So sometimes when they get, some of them also try to show, but Juma no omo ye very sensitive. Me watching videos, no me real post say a young guy, say type a young guy was started life. Minyante in family life, we ko no area wo ketwa. Now, if you look at how almost two now, you see, it was targeted. O man to say ye kuno.
Yeah.
So be a 20 boy na. Obi the tobo tidia. Send him back on wound into not or he shot purposely to kill. And my problem here, pick up will be a police force the bullion man. Pick up where below and Mr. Mecca billion. I'm called Mecca what this in the it is a way and the day Ghana police. One my who security services need private security services or more cars here bulletproof. Hey. Not a command for security. No more cast in the no born auction. And on Bob Bonham say, nobody, and I quite catch him say, can't in bulletproof. Private security agency. And how come say a whole bank? Cow me all this woman say, cast in bullet.
Most of the banks in bulletproof. Most of them.
Then it's a very serious issue. Because Sikana, a gumu says, Sikanim says, Sikaum. My car say, Sikaka. And ka na eba say one city kura na dama obi ehu onum say jama apem na negu. So because of that thing I say compulsory the car na on say car na bulletproof ka dey see against you.
Yeah.
And when I saw say a private company omotimi am car say bulletproof no. I don't quite remember confidence eh ene sa bulon ban say nam krom ha nyina eh bullet na bi kura ho awu a car na say esika car no. Etu onwu sie che kuro.
Enti bi kura nko.
Etu onwu sie oru say o kwa no no gba ben pepe kese tun ho no mra o tun ho so awon sa ho sikaka no wo kwanche no won timi sa obedu anum so won ko no akobi enti a whole lot. First of all security agencies na nkasa security na fail. You see the political aspect of it today they can of course not about me promise as usual MPP government don't promise that they can fulfill it. But me channel on another angle nipa wa ko nipa enkwa wa asem ne e ka no we ya wa wi cheka compensation busafo nye den sram he's gone forever ya be ya ma busafo ska o yenye senyo uhu ni biem busafo nya ni biem and oye pillar in a family ubo komuna nipa bebre depend on say nipa no bi eni nwa bi ko on hwe ni school nya ade so this time I only one look at the vacuum apa bedaw enso sa asem sia me de bia na me ka say asem sia de here pa ye tia asem so ne say ye besua bibia free sa asem sia say ye chechire ye rewie na ya ma ye ho ya akowi a de here ne say besua nyansa free say bi say bia mu de na say ye anya say besua nyansa. That is why people are blaming Dr. Baumia because Starmer issue ni be see he gave a fantastic solution. Say let's give all of them bulletproof. And Panama New York say bulletproof no and cover uti.
No, helmet.
They have the helmet.
No, helmet.
They have the helmet. They have the helmet. Oh, I just wanted to add say omo helmet ni bi nso so a. And also ututu a entini penetrate. Oh. And so these are the things we should learn. Again, police van ni bia I sense sika van ni bia bullion van ni bia bo na police ni ba ko na tim. How do they determine say police ni ba ko na is what no?
I can the arrangement na.
Enti and unim ade ba ko a eya na yeso mu steady pan ne say security cars and kasa as a bank on say wo bie bank location ni hia pa kwa the bank obo kwana bia e di to abesu so agent to bank bia omu station no in the middle of the so na so the sika ban na ma do they work anyhow mitimi share bi onu site nyina un share bi onu site da mitimi share bi onu site sometimes o de ahodu a kire hey ahaya mo kire hey ma share ban ni bi several times mo ni mu hey yes several times enti wa sika cars ka gu na de nam lungu I say you know what are you trying to say sa e hono no akobot ma attack you at any time any baby a watch because unim sikaka any arobes on so mo kwa attack ade o mo hwe pa ne say obekọ no be successful ne say obekọ no betuma anya ni tie den edidi hu enti o calculate we say area na okwa akoye no wi a obetuma dwane ana and this o gutasika na this kan nam atasama so new site baby ase die hu se ka we ta fa hasen ya oba attack because that time no attack ho no ma asana police for crime say attack omo no omko enti he fa na sakas na ye omo de nam do they omo route no do they calculate it and say your branch wa hasen ti traffic acho ha ye nwura hasen ne nkosi hasen ana do they have people who guide them say ka ne tour enfa main street enfa hasen ana because go for life one sem ne ye kan and so going forward no I think that as people unim say na me ma make kan area sa ehu okuma say na obi say ode no ho kwa da so kisan service kwa no okay car sa eju okuma say ha 90% on eji no wow who answer allied filling station kwa na ewura mu ho kwa nzima and so we obi a ota nam sa kwan no so a utumu te ekwan no eye bebre nti so obi nya je o ka o sa ekwan no so kwa obi nya bi de ewura you can trace it a casa ye ju okumase ha that kwan na America no and surprisingly wonante so na ju a unhu police ehibia wo so ko fanzima on obi ameche no I've seen the place ayi friend Montessori ni mo kwan no bakọ no ekwa akure mu no o ta utimi wura mu ho akwa ko wura ma ko pie twade o ya ko pila sa etem sa enti se obi ju ka ho a eno ano no kasa yira wo kumase ha no emu 90% sa kwan no so na yira enti security services any yen yesu wutu akurafo na otu momonefo the security services ne provide security na yen as citizens yesu da ye ho so na those areas ne ehu hawa edu time yen pa ho ne ade baba man fa rota ba o mianwie kwe say edu mre bia o you see let's try to be honest to ourselves say oye leader nessa asemsia eyese obema solution okay but so ma solution na make sure say onum senke bae lesbian make I say emamenka ye ken ana karota ba omia ayi na ba ni bulletproof na ba na ka so oh but ba omia kwa the bulletproof ayi den abra o mo na bia ono ana anhye bia na say that time na bi ni hono ma kan presi no yeah make be president this one farmer ya e be bu achi say you promise say police for omo bulletproof ebre bia ye bo obi tu okun no ene yasa bo obi tu okun no e konfie mienu ni bulletproof ni ma we are legitimate to ask say where are the bulletproof dr baomia ye ni hu kwase ye bebusa because if sanko provide and kemetna ha ndey keme prezino ke ba ye na nke bia ebi hye no ana otutu na amo no na say oh dr baomia bulletproof ni bi na otu ye na nke nku na enke ne sanka krom ha nyina akwa bi ka enke ba ya baomia yes and so if they feel that let's call them to order and as young chuma madwin so say papa asem na wo kan ye no na nka ya asem papa but besi na ye hu hwe amebi asesi biem say skabi da ba bia no ma ko fa da ye den akwa procure so I said that is one asset I say no so you can we say hello good evening Sir Mike and welcome back to the screens I say talking of security just as VIP said if the fundamentals are weak the dollar will expose you. Now, a country with high rate of unemployment, we should expect greater crimes than what is happening today. The issue isn't about security, it's about unemployment. They should fix the country by providing employment to Ghanaian youth. Extend my regards to Jesse Cash Otis and to my landlord, Mr. George Boama. George Boama, yesterday your birthday opening
From Emmanuel Buama Kote was my happy birthday, belated happy birthday to you, Imadi Ode Abba. I don't know. We say good evening. My name is Ken Nicholas. Number 1, I send this message from Sunyane town called Adentia. If you want a biggest liar in this country, it is. Oh, okay. We are quoting what Chabosom said, but a vice president to today, they can say be a small can when so. Like that's why your true for power. I don't know. We say good evening, Sir Mike. I've been watching your show for the past 3 weeks. You asked 3 questions. I think the last time the NPP man was in your studio, he was not happy. Your first question was the bulletproof. The second was the chocolate provided to the SHS, and the third one was the Baumia issue concerning concrete roads. You have seen he has not provided any of them, and it is happening in the country. The NPP man cannot say anything than to plead on Ghanaians to protect ourselves. The president is in charge, and you must act accordingly. Kujo, so the Abba no Kujo, yana say wakaka. Good evening, Sir Mike. I am the least surprised on the issues of security in the country. The killing of the young and enterprising policemen only adds to the many deaths and insecurity under the NPP government. Ahmed Swali, JB Dankwa, 3 kidnapped girls in Takrade, to mention but a few. Am I surprised? No. Why you have a security minister on good at dancing in a pajamas? Usubempa, Deputy Secretary, hopeful for NDC at Chumango Beja, North Constituency, former Titan member. Uzu, Yancha Nanyumre. Na pajamas they say no na just JB Dankwa NDC time on. JB Dankwa no say NDC time. Do us Bobby Bar. Fabizukobo NDC for. Where is Sir Mike? I'm enjoying your show. The other man has spoken well, but you cannot blame the government. The government cannot be blamed. We Ghanaians have to give information. But this one, how do you give information? There is a video Aquavara, Moon said, and Rantia Bear 9. Now, mu peste or no. Now, my Yaki 47 Nibi. Now, almost say, if African they become Cassie. Yes, Semu. The I don't know. We say, you're welcome, Sir Mike. It is a fact without lying that the government has failed us in terms of security. Okay, Nana JB. So they are there, now. Well, you try home. Now, any about from crack to Yaba. Yaba to us.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Yasai ababio. Say dear. Yase. Ye ma ye tie for. Ene ya hwefo nyina. Esua ensano djuma. Wei eye ensano djuma. Ene ti se woni ensano djuma. Bomodian se obenya ensano djuma. Entra Ghana ha se obaye djuma ba kope. Na wodi ayeye. Dabi asese wonya djuma bebre. Eka djuma wo ye ho. Sana ye tu kwa abrochi a ye no. Eno nti bra. Ne besua adjuma ni bi. Eka wo djuma bi a wo ye ho. Eno nti se de. Ye de adjuma foforo ene de aba. Ye be chirechiro bees making eye senia ye sidi ahwene eye chain eye bags eye mpaboa eye niema bebre brand ye nchiro senia si eye no mushroom farming eno ye senia si edua emre unim se obetime de na hotwe mienu pe edua emre amana fifi abokama ama wotime atu adi ana wotime atu akoton brand ye nchiro senia si eye no ye nuanom akuafoe ye gusu afrem se momra na wombesua senia si ye we decide edura yedugun haban so ama me hye ase kura babra entimi enka aduane na ewomu no brane enche ose de siye no snail farming bra se ne esi eyen enwa obetima yen enwa ama na nyini kama ama wonso wakoton e de anya wusika wotimi de aye won kwan papa bi brane enche ose de siye no ye besan so akireo 3D epoxy na 5D epoxy se de samoa monim se 3D and 5D eposi wo ye wo dem a ete shren afei so ye besan so achrew liquid soap sa liquid soap yi wo betimi aton ye be chew shower gel eye sinesi ye shower gel ama edi dware ama ye honam eye trom bra na ye chew sinesi eye brown sugar a wo de be ye oniema bebre aton asanya sika ye besan so achrew sinesi ye power afei so ye be chew sinesi eye tomato paste no eno ane ye fre no tea tomatoes bra na ye chew kama na fa ye woduane obetimi so aye akoton ama wonya sika bebre ye besan so achrew ice cream wo ye de show fridge ma de sanima we nyina ye chew na ye jo 300 Ghana cedis pe obedi kan asend 50 Ghana cedis na afei ye de register at the amount anase open so a o ba na odu sika na nyina aba ye register wa so fra chiri ana wo ba na e buku ba bi obeda eno achi no ye de bi ebe handout at the amount ye besan so aye pen drive video anase ye be chire ni nyina so ye de be guso na at the amount in case say ure fi bibia na wa fa na wa play na wa hwe na wa kaka ni nyina afei so ye be ma wo aduane adi wo lunch a obedi na wia ne de ye de be ma wo ni nyina ka 300 Ghana cedis a obetua ne ho na ya sa chrew enema wo nyina we de eye fofofo eye dakope ene ye de e chrew eye Saturday 19th June ya eye memene da ne da etoso edunkuno ene ye no eda ba akope ye de be chrew enema wo nyina kama pa eno ti no fa number da e de screen so no na send you mobile money e de man sesi a o send 50 Ghana cedis na wo ba wo de 250 Ghana cedis no e de aba send call 0244294066 0244294066 afei so obetimi afresh a number ya egu screen so nyina na afei ya register aye 0244294066 channel so say aye number ba ko pe and that screen so friends see a na ya register ma aye 0244294066 friends see na ya register ma say ya kase Kumawood Training Institute no jiso say ensanu juma ahimfie beye butu
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da ejuoda ebenada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne timi emo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na ono ne kodaye afa de ye ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra
nti obi antenta ta chire no no ana ne nyame ase nyankopon na ebo no ba
enti wo ba ena me kase se wo ama ena ma se ya kasa ntine nti abayefo na afaso ana honhom mo ne nipa bone fo na afaso hu ne se obi antenta achichire ne bia no na
right yensan emo akwaba ogoso sinopi we are live on Kumawood television ever said ever ma tawhid na to patek clinic makacho se Kumasi asante man temu ha bia ba ko a ogia yarehwe esa yare pa de bibidro isa yare pa no madam Catherine are sabia wo Kumasi Oduombo de junction yare bia ha obi ano bra na omo asa so no se wo no bia na nei nema heda nkoye sa watinchini nchina nkoye woni kura na afri a so ba obe na watimi ate de ama odu de ma no Pakepa nya gre 0278626262 0278626262 from na omonyo so God's way cat shop see eye no man for eye enti wonso upasa wo ye wo de no na emu aye den ama ska de be to fun adaka wo de be sie ambulance ne ade opa video ni akira bana kache no mo a wo ni ska kra no a wo de 1 week ni wie na oba no be yen se obo fun adaka ne bi obo ambulance video coverage wo ye ni nyina wi na to bi da Goswe for that kind of one from price no so no and I say quality no so e wo soro na no da de see here one zimatum say yes for that kind no papa obi aba ni Japan sabode so bade boom 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 for that kind so effect won sabode a na man for e boy but modern na bra Goswe na be pibito na afi no so no on sabode no emra ense reden munyam obe frɛ omo 0243737457 0243737457 Kumasi Fantinu Town eho na wo Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ko watibie all your spiritual issues huhumu de ene honomani pakona malam emwa eye sikasem aware awo akwantu adwumasem obi kwale sisi wo adwuma na enkoyi ni na no ko na Mala Muhammad emwa ko watibie eskafa mantem ho ena obehu Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center over front 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 from Malam na onhwe entimi emwa enei benada no so kopem no nkron wiase susumu nsem Malam ha amre de du ha fa Malam na fi ono ni nkomo emfa wiase se de esitie well nyame aduma over the weekend Saturday na Kumawood TV the next edition of the Kumawood Training Institute the skill training no the Bremont channel so pa say nyame aduma memenda we ya ufrechiri na ba beda e ba biada e ma do bedie e ma certificate e ma pen drive na afi so no yetumi amanchekere e je nipa 50 pe ye je manamro 50 nti wunya mfre ya e numbers no bomode ya na frɛ na afi yentumi emwa animonimu ya na yentumi emwa na so no e benya ntete e de fa e kwan e fa so yes no enwa emere kwan e fa so a tomato paste fertilizer kwan e fa so a 3D epoxy kwan e fa so di beats mpaboa ahwene ye de mpaboa ye de bi kumade de to ense nyina no nyamre ne de akere one day na yenye nipa no bebrebe emebom saa na ye nkyeremo yesa wo hu ne ye te yenye nipa 50 pe nti wunya mfre abomode ya na frɛ na yentumi embuku emfa ento na afi emre no so du a watumi aba na aweboa ama abeji ntitie no bi atumi ede aboa 300 Ghana cedis pe e ma pen drive e ma DVD ma certificate na nyamre akere wade no koso e wa Tenga Junction e na Kumawood TV e wo Tenga Junction e wa Ahonjo Kumasi uduru kajetia be bia be du bia so kɔ Ahonjo Tenga Junction ka be fa bia no e de beba na train no yetumi e de ama well enye rapport apofia na afi emra homa no so be fa mo course no enye mo so ma agent chairman na me busa kwan fa so a ye fa bambofo no so kra no say no so another issue bi mo so kra so say unemployment rate na kosoro tere wa wo kan yi say galamse no kwa yi tu ase no omo a omo so say omo no do ne bo omo no omo so ba betumi abaye abonefo nti na de na wo sa ban ne ye say ne ye nanka usi ba bi kwan no na bi pono so to ba bi ana
no say de wo kan so hwemu a aban no e de hyehye ye se be ya numeduma marketing kete osia kakra ai de be kwa wo mo be hye omu ama bedi omu die akoso ana se wo hwen so a se o ma start entrepreneurial skills omo fa be hu no se on be sua sanoduma training interest ene event say electrical works ni ade omu busu a omo ni gi se rural enterprise training institute kambumo omo tu sa na mo ona to hwe agriculture omo so yomo start say omo be so omo de sa policy no e de boa ma ye nua mo a no mo wo into galamsey no omo interest omo be go into agriculture no omo be peke wo mo na omo so omo asene amo wo mo inya se bi a be well so be here so rallying for food and jobs they say omo timi bia so ko ntu bra ko yenya ye ma ubi so tia so mo bra ko ni bi na wa start ene ye mo aka ti sa ni ma be nyo ko busu a omo ye se de be boa na emum so hwe yen enne mrantie ma ba wa bana meki mekasi ya ho keka se ibinya abotre na ya start kakra near the apple the apple if it's scanning them in the abotre and what these days if you cross over this time apart from a ban the crown politicians and kasa MPC near their both all angles omutimi and then those say community no one constituency no nso artisans ne wo no mo kabo mu omo afom ku omo timika so okay say bia oje akwala si na o bo mo
tutuni omo a e ma say
so say mo ni nyina no egusu a ye de bo bo ayo but kwa say emegu na aba this time no miki ye ni twen ho say be kwa kosu adwuma ni apon ye ho na at least ye masa betin kakra mi asom kakra ne ye mpe ye pen ententem o ti ase ye pen ententem ana dunkrofo ade danie na mo akire ne ye se mo fon so ne ade se ye bra bossa miki ene ona empoma rate na bekoso so ti ase ba so hwe wo mo a o mo ye serious so mpese ye boa wo mo na aban boa mo wo boa wo mo na masa kakra
dubega aban ba ye no mo MPP4 no mo bega motmi aboa ama on employment no eswate anka eni kwa se de yehu
sa na meka no sa epemehwe ne aban no ehihye odi egu fam ahokeka ne opepa wanya so peso bi bua megunu so ati ase ye hwe se ye even kura se nka obi bi je che so na be kafi aban no ambo modern se awofo ni bi kura o de kosku na sa nya ni de kakra so se be ya adwuma kakra bi timi afa amo ye bibi so enti hihye de aban na hihye na mo se ya nya opepa se de hu be wurem na ya nkasa ya dwen da ache ho ni efi se unya 23 years na 30 years na ye den na be ye mantra de amasa aban bi hu amasa obetimi aba se obetimi ekukuru sika na so be wo be sore no obetiti sika bi amawo o so bo ho so na hihye de ekufam no mo tutumi so mu bia etimi aye den amu abrabo akoyi na me no ye ekwa ye fa so a ye fa oli mi hunu say about graphic.
Oh, okay.
No mo call if any say ebia o banks na ko o ma submit na bia enlistment aba no mo go through but say protocol some here it has been there over the years
a year so we say MP the list ko nti bia woni MP list no na woni o man hin list mu a o mo de na eko
bia me minimum me no wonya me obi MP na so abeye pani uni obi
okay
me ba no qualify nya so qualify na emu bia posini pa na donso enti bia unsem odi aboa me kakra so te sa de ne wo ho adwuma ba bia ni ho asade na enie eno de masa the whole wide world is everywhere
okay
enti we are seeing name na is not fair on that grounds but so okay ko e fa so fa o mo na obi ni ho no masa mo kratira on qualify e be fa
corruption enticement inducement
it's not about
and a security service no no ebi moton are you aware of that
are you
aware say ebi moton obi to get 5,000
which sanya man and e mabufu ye metan am person mete no
okay
oh e ya de bia e mabufu e metan so qualify let's say nipa ko ba bu nipa no ono akasa ni nimdie mu no ono kwa da cho me den on konga sa me da wasimpo
this one will take us a whole day Patrick minimum so what TV dia ba me mum de mate bi dia o ha bo so bi afro say mo ba ku nti say ubenya ya ubenya obi de na abra mi anaja interesting
ara us no mun say politicians
yeah
ye petu no boys dey no mo no you say it obi ani dey stand in zoo na no your boys ni ba ko program ever we just walk through obi and tell us say the papa na say bobo ya ba ko mo mana tori beti ye mesrera besa di
onyambo ya ba ko a o so de be adwuma e de abone bra ono de ne ye
ye na mo aye bre nyino bi opa
ya abo ya ba ko
so atase nto bi so ho a oye party adwuma nyina na ni so adu hu ni so onya police a obeko and it is a party labor power also try say obetu go contact ni pa oni mu omu sabe ya na ni so adu hu nti o de kuma party ni letini abam by the people be to take advantage of that na omoton ton ya eken minya ji no person obeja tu koma omoton 2,000 3,000 5,000
oh 2,000 is ebinim
5,000 6,000
2,000 even say a year you say 2,000 a be a prisons and a fire service
but police near 5,000 you see and no ye one aspect of it I mean the person dey any concern mama my yin to mu say unemployment about the same for that area. Because all these were unemployment has been with us. But mama as a yaja to say Japan will be from Galamsey side. The option is on to information. No, there are no number of senior. You say no me enough for more. No go be shower can the actual. Kabon say enough for.
Madam, you say a good password.
Yes, so no matter
program.
Where you bank me chat you must almost say teachers do on program. A car so for
program.
Or modern num program as a senior. And yet bank back what you have 10,000, what you have 5,000, what you have 4,000. The best sleep when you have affordability.
Mama survive.
Mama survive. Now yes do a trouble too on your phone 10 grab a come one and no see bank to be quiet. So the kind of percentage panel some corners who option better could deep on it. But he's going through all of your loan. But some of at the free salary man. Do a deco fair about happening 7 days or a year or more. So the kind of situation people are living in because say Abia or Mumwa or Munshuantino, you might think that people are okay. And so a young guy knows this one and the guy is in Abano. They want things quick. Senior, and now comes out. And I can't wait any simple anchor over Panabatu no C5. Oh, my men no. Second see that for man. And come on, at his age, but I'm so renting. So why are you rushing? And we need to talk to the youth. I said, Mabuna, you can't touch on Momuze. Send your Musi people and no Musia, Udi 17 a year and a year day. Udi 17 1 CFU and a year day. And the kind of spirit we are. I bet you show if you go to or Multiminium. And the kind of near society, how the boys said, Musi rushing it, those things are things, we need to find a way. Me, Namaka said, especially in a senior high school, we should have a teamwork. Omunama, Omunim Chronicle Casa periodically about
the morals of the
about their guidance and say, who peer free school more. So, who peer no bar. Society now, Obabe share society, no. The kind of people you meet as a parents, you meet lesbian, you
meet for life, and
Chronicle senior. If you are sitting in your trash out, and now, Obi, a trouble, what the phone, media, they him home to you, and
now, somebody are minor.
And
I decided to bring that in the video
or their mama and to what I never turn out I never turn out pest. Anyway, wow, Chrono and Terry. And I knew that no Moody's idea the pound. You said that no chat on Pumana, or what you said to be any must make it. No one day, a dear will have no one day a last stop. Have a fat papasso. What the kind not any. Wait, you're too near Kukua, Fundi, Yakun. You to know air senior, so you're you to know Siswa. So we didn't need 1 hour to me go squat per Jumasia. Cobra, you can't print any or possess a gun ahead in Yinam. Someone said, what you want see or saw by your Juma come no that. Oh, Cobra. If you are skilled, so you're messy, so you're carpenter, so you're a friend say, no matter what dream. And the skilled work you be out over Suya. Now, spend the year, next the Wukunu. Now, you're quite before Ghana has a senior, a common no that because all the guys say, no more skilled workers. They are not living an extravagant life, but don't tell you don't work. Well, the end cycle they should find something to do.
Okay.
No, we
say Ghanaians will take care of themselves, or else we will all die. We are not going to die. Good evening, Sir Mike, to you and your panelists. Look, NPP man cannot make any comment on the issue you put before them. He is only beating about the push because his government has failed Ghanaians. Karim Tepa and our dear free about say greetings to Senior Patrick. Well done. Good evening, Sir Mike. This one more for Nana when we are to go. Okay. Hello, good evening. My TV don't come from the NTO. Why? Adaroma. Your friend. Okay, NTO. Okay, Yanasi, Yancho Sin of Winner. Hello, good evening. Congress, any? Yeah. Okay, Congress, Yanasi for Chi. Hello, good evening. Good evening, I'll show you free. Yanasi. Okay. All right. No, so another problem. Yanasi, I think you've made a good point. Hello, good evening. Nyame adom ugusu shira he dey be afre free. Okay. Well, yeah, very fun. Okay, last caller. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Abani, my joy. Odi be ahwe. Majo so odi be afrefre. Okay, ozu eti onimre. Okay, ozu yanasi yemre no ayemre yanasi yana frefo na ase wo so watumi angre mo fanche ye pa na se ko western region na manfo kan ye fra yitimi nguram ene be ya mo mfa ye mo hyeda na ye hyeda nze dipa na doso nti enye se bia hyeda nti se wo frɛ na wotumi nguram a na ya me na aye wadom nya me hyira mo se mo gusu a mo hwɛ ye ko se tutak for strike strike no mo so mbeba so mo strike ene se ko emre na so interest no ye nuanom na ye ma no ho yes but why the winning interest ho sir okay now mo invest there
invest
I'm asking because they say they are binding him say they are and then there was what now one there was what ye mo no onye no mo be strike
okay you
okay right gracias shut ne kama we na ne kama pa e kama we nye load ni bia wa tu what ya ne kama pa
if you so mba po we say omo kwanso na eso
yeah
na mami nche busafo nyina na
bagana heading
busafo bi wo boase nche o mo
is me hu bi
oh krom ha de say why krom ha de ajiso obi on
Matthias here
dabio
no I understand his point no I understand his point
Ghana we yet
there's pressure on me
Ghana we yet pressure e fa so ye MPP ni a we NDC obi anim so man mind
was it pressure on me so Matthias
ajiso obi a on kanu kre obi a on pen kre say nipa ne de obetimi akam but oh masa o tama 2 minutes pa menya so na wo se ba mu say nipa no now I na say on kanu kre but obi o to krom ha o kanu kre che ni hu bia nim say abi fo be say o man no obi ene wo to fu a wuzu o so la na fa na hu ka kia wo yam nso ene obi o yusu ka bia o so la na fa uhu ka kia na yama show
da se ya si
50 series asa
ya ya na so Mala Mohammed ba ya no bibia so nyamre ehwe ye Mrs. Saka o axim very good evening it is my ya with the entire crew it is here echiam what the next so
bibia boy na mo de sun abibi fo
Ozi animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akom obi wo amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya adwuma me mene da
okay
kosie da edwo da ebana da okuo da yawada efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda